back in the day in the arcade room. We got to fix one of our own machines today. It's the Kings of Steel pinball machine. That's what it looks like. We've got back glass with glass on it. There we go, there's the future project right there. There's the back glass, so you get an idea what the artwork looks like. Kings of Steel. Well, this one at the moment, see if it works today, alright? No flippers. Take him off. What we suspect is the solenoid drummer board, and this machine here, I was actually testing someone else's game. I had their board in here was working fine, my board in theirs was working fine. Brought my board back, and now the game doesn't have any flippers. So we've got the in and out here of the relay. I'm pretty suspicious of these actual connectors here, so we bought some connectors, we'll swap them out and we'll see what that does for it. Do this one-handed. Yeah, no, alright, we'll get the there's our board out, if you can see it in this light, but these connectors are looking pretty sad, so we'll swap them out and see what it does for it. So we got a parcel here from RTBB, Ride the Bony Beast, and let's see if what we got is going to do the job. Right, there's some parts in here for another job. Let's have a look. So we've got the pins here for the board. We've got this bit on the back here. But I reckon we're just going to cut that off. That should do the job. And let's have a look at the other strip here. And yeah, them connectors for a different job, so they can stay in there. And that strip there can go there. And sure enough left to cut off to do that one. Right there. Right, let's go find some solder, and as you can see, it's had a few repairs over time, this board. All these old boards you see have had a few things like that done on them. But I don't think that's what's stopping it working. Right, there we go. We've got our new, put some light on them. The new connectors there, and there we go. We're going to try it at that. I'll change these ones at some stage, but I wouldn't mind getting some better solder before I do that. So let's go see if we have any flippers, which is an important part of a pinball machine. Right, that's back in. Here's the big test. Makes you start noises. Righto, we'll power him on. There's a stay noise. Let's see what happens. Well, there you go, we've got some flippers again. Alright, for now we'll just put the back glass back in to keep it safe. I'll change that other connector over here once I get some more. So I'm going to get some other stuff from JCar or somewhere so I get some better solder wick. We'll do that one down the track. But now, we'll put it back together. Mainly because I hate having these things out of the machines. I hate handling them because they're made of safety glass, so if they get touched they can just shatter. So safest place for it is right there. What's going on there? There you go. So we're coming away one lockdown bar. There we go, out the side. But there we go. It has flippers. Well, there you go. That's just a quick one today. We changed the connectors there on the main board for the Kings of Steel pinball machine. We'll go back and do the little ones again when we've got some better solder wick. But at the moment we've got flippers again, so it's always a good thing with a pinball machine to have flippers. So with that, I might go a few games and leave you to it. As always, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, share it, comment, all that sort of thing. And we'll see you next time. It's a quick follow-up. I just went and bought some new braid. We'll see if this is any better. And we're going to get the other connectors done. So there we go, showing new pins on that side. And also change that relay, because they have one here. But that's a quick follow-up to the video.